In 1991, the residents of Taos, New Mexico were shaken out of their sleep by a strange humming sound. It was described as a low-frequency rumble, like the sound of a distant engine running. Well, more like thousands of engines. People were getting headaches, intense nausea, and suffering from insomnia. But strangest of all, only about 2% of people could actually hear it. High-tech equipment was set up at a few locations where the hum was prevalent. Scientists collected acoustic, geodynamic, seismic, magnetic, and electromagnetic measurements.
As a result, we are left with a mystery. There are no unusual lines at suspect frequencies in the electromagnetic spectrum recorded near Taos.
And then, just like that, the hum was gone.